Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to download Visual Studio Code for Windows 10. So go to your favorite browser and type download Visual Studio Code. So what is Visual Studio Code? Visual Studio Code is a streamlined code editor with support for development operations like debugging, task running, and version control. So on your screen, you're going to click the first option. After clicking, there are several options for different operating systems like Windows, Ubuntu, Debian, and Mac OS. So as you're going to click on the Windows operating system option, this is an option that we can have for Windows 10 or 11. So click on the Windows option, and immediately after clicking, the download is going to start. So I'm going to cancel the download because I had downloaded mine earlier. So I'm going to cancel it and minimize the browser. So I'm going to go to Files. We'll do this after the download is done. So go to your Files section and click on Downloads. You'll see the file that has been downloaded for Visual Studio Code, and you'll double click on it. On your screen, you're going to see the license agreement terms, but let me first minimize my files. So I'm going to accept the license agreement terms. You can read it if you have some time, but it's not necessary. So click Next. Here we have where you're going to choose the destination or the location where Visual Studio Code will be located. So me, I'm comfortable with the location that they have set for me. So if you're not comfortable, you can click on Browse and select your appropriate location. So click Next after selecting the location, and then here you have the Start menu folder. You can say don't create, or you can leave it as default. So click Next. Here there are some additional tasks. We are going just to click on the Create Desktop icon for a shortcut for the Visual Studio Code, and then click Next. So the setup is now ready to begin installing, and we are going to click on Install. So the device is preparing to install. We are going to wait patiently for it to install. If you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do so and press the notification button to stay updated. So it's almost done. So click Finish, and it will immediately pop up on the screen. And if not so, you just go to the Start button and type Visual Studio Code and click Open. So let's meet in our next video where I'll guide you on how to set up Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching.